This is how we do it. Da 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 da. This is how we do it. It's a Saturday night, and this is how we do it. Leader lead, follower follow. Speak my mind, family. What I say? This is how we do it. Leader lead, follower follow. When he's a leader, and follower will always follow you. We do it again, we beat them. You know, sister, we do it again, we beat them. How long some of them a look money if you want woman? I know them can't reach $1,000. We do it again, we beat them. Look how long some of them a look money if you want woman. And I know them can't reach $1,000. Speak with my family, you know what to do. Quick one this. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend and hit the thumbs up when you like the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel. Life is a mission. Remember, run go and go subscribe. You understand? Channel active. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Please go give her a subscription. Help her, no man. Oh, not go on so. Wanna take so long to make the little channel reach 1,000 subscribers. Jesus, please. Me know them now push out enough content like that will not go gravitate to, but at least give them the subscription, give them the courage there. Cause you see, when you see a subscription I move, I can't tell you now, I'm gonna tell you now again, I talk of experience. You see, when you see a subscription I move, it give you more courage to work. Just like in a natural life, you go to work and your boss, you put out your effort and your boss now do nothing for you. Your boss now deal with you good. You just drop your hand and you start crawl. You understand? You know, a wholesaler work customer that come in and say, me like when she in here, you know, because when she in here, you know, the shop move fast, you know, but at the same time, themselves, they've not give you a tip. And boss now deal with you good like him respect what you do for him business. So you just start dry hand. When you sell 10 somebody in a 2 minutes, you start sell 3 in a 20 minutes. Yeah, you start dry on. So when you see the subscription I come and give you more courage, because like we work a show. So just give them the subscription, man. You understand? Force them to bring content you want to watch. Alright. And remember the cash app down there. If you want to give me, if you want to reach out about give me, cash app down there. $ Life is a Mission TV. If you don't have no cash app, you reach out to me at 221-9789. I will take it from there, tell you what to do. Remember, me now run no charity. You give me if you buy one water. Or if me want, I me take it, get it needy. Not or, me take it, get it needy, not the greedy. So whatever you send come, basically the two main thing it is for is to enhance my backup channel where my adventure part of the channel is concerned. But so far, not much has taken from what has come, because not much has come. God bless to the people them we reach out from time to time, a month in. Sometimes it's not every month, but me give thanks, blessed. I want to see where the little do. I remember my objective now is to try and give this little basic school this little 6 cubic fridge. No, big old, sit the like me around supermarket. Just one nice because 6 cubic fridge, deep freeze. Where them can properly store the ice cream and them little meat. Because you know standing fridge can't no hold much. The freezer no hold much. And then you can mix the ice cream and the meat together. Juice and ice cream and certain things must be mixed with meat. Because it got draw the smell and it got taste. And you can't sell me a juice you are packing a meat fridge. Because once I go and put on my mouth, stomach sick, I don't want that. So I want to buy them one nice deep freezer them can separate, you know, them little ice cream from meat and so on. Because 6 cubic, not no big. Because one small basic spoon. Anyway, people, I want to say what we talk about at all times, and we know sooner or later before the week it's out or even start good. We should not talk about out before it start good. You go hear that woman they come out. You're so long me I beg you. Remember now, your supporters are not plankers. Curly, please remember when you're coming out here to differentiate. Remember now, you're come differentiate against a leader. You're come differentiate against a leader who have a support base. You're come differentiate that. See that which the support base is a different support base from your members lonely. You understand? Who don't want to become your member only. You understand? So, nobody come out here. Come differentiate. We already tell you this. So you don't need to come out here, come highlight it. Because you're not going to make yourself and your people them where you feel like is with you. Feel shame and disgrace. If you know, say 3 weeks now, you're out here asking for an assistant for this lady. And you say the quota is what? 1,200 to one at the time you move it down to 2,000 add. I don't know where you add to the bits. Because I did hear you talk about stove, 2-bed, fridge, and TV. Right? So I don't know how it gone 2,000. But at the same time, you know, you want your look much because as I say, you have to pinch your look much, you know, because as I say, winter come up and you know want to get put out of this place here, and you see say it will go more cheaper for you to pay this rent than to go in at the Marriott. You understand? Because you might end up in a one chariot this time instead of Marriott. Because frustration and stress and one nice something. Frustration and stress, instead of you end up in the Marriott, you might end up in a Marriott, in a Harriet this time, or chariot. You understand? So basically, you secure your look much. But me tell you, this could not happen to such lady. When I come out for the live, before I jump back on the live, one I time and see the grocery are issued for drive out with the student them. I think I see in space of no time the woman reach what? $900 in space of no time. Some of them jump off for the live and they have to move people. You understand? Because I'm telling you, know, I support, well, you don't know, me can't stop support 99. It's not all the while me dip on the platform me type because sometimes, you know, you just want to keep a cool head and level head. You understand? And you just ease yourself. Sometimes you might type, sometimes it might overdue for you to type to make your presence felt. Some might type and say whatsoever. Because you know, for understand, you know, I am a platform holder, me think different from everybody else. You as a regular supporter who don't have a platform, you can type every day. But I don't want to give people the impression like, people are going to think. So I try not to go and not only than a live, but majority of the live and the people and videos that I support their channels, which some of them know themselves, and I left them out. I'm not afraid to call name. I can't call name. Over YouTube, you're searching latest 99. Well, Stacy hardly over here, so I'm on Facebook Stacy there. You talk for the YouTubers. You know, observant. Sometimes my head not so there and get a water sometimes. So if I have the name them pan leave one cup of paper, I can't. But those are the main people who out here on a day-to-day basis, bam, you know, where I on them platform many a times without them even know. Because I don't type on a regular basis. Now and again, we will drop a comment just to make that, okay, my present, me there, you know. So, you know, that's me. Them get them likes, me watch them video, me watch them ads and everything. Yes. So, me there on the live and me jump off and me see about $900 reach. But only if you come back, come see one amount of grocery, one at a time me here. I think of the girl from Clarendon. Fair bill come to $47,000. And remember now, she wasn't only 1, 2, 3 or 4 of them. There's a couple of them where I don't remember the amount of numbers that they did. And when I tell me here, then I say, alright, why she give she most? Because she didn't get something or another whatsoever. I don't know. And she tried to balance the rest of them at 20,000. So you check that. So it did gone past the $900 there. And add that when me left the life. So currently, this is what me I try to tell you. You cannot be wannabe to somebody who you cannot be. Currently, you cannot be wannabe to somebody who you cannot be. And you have to understand that. And don't come out here, come size up. Just wise up and don't come out here, come size up. Wise up and know say you cannot be a wannabe to somebody who you cannot be, Curly. You see, it has been proven. Over and over it has been proven. And this is want to jump on the platform. Hey, if that the woman there, I want the woman alone, I don't want to get money. I want the woman alone, I don't want to run charity. I want to always remember, the people who support this one woman is not the same people that support you. Yes, you might have a few who come and look at you just to have a smile, you know, and kind of, you know, relax the jaw, yeah, and the face, exercise the jawbone, so when I get a laugh now and again elsewhere, it not itch, you know, so sometimes you laugh and get a laugh. Even when you are young, sometimes you feel like a jawbone, it come out a socket and itch. So you have to exercise it regular. So sometimes you just jump on your platform, Curly. Forget a laugh. Because you always being a clown of yourself, you know. Nobody clowns you out. You be a clown of yourself. So why not enjoy you being a clown of yourself, Curly? Me, Curly? Why, me I tell you? You know, always I get show up and still want to run contest. Because I come to you know, this thing about charity, you know. And the same thing we want to carry down people for the same thing we don't have no intention, you know. Become achieve from charity, you know. Because as most of the people they must say, how can you be hungry? And when you say hungry, you know, I mean literally your belly. Yes, but you in desperate need then, put it this way, for financial gain. And you're going to talk about charity for somebody else. You must dip your hand. It's no if I'm not about it, you must dip your hand, Curly. You're going to dip your hand. No if I'm not about it. But right now it's the only source away from the liquor you get from social media. Where you see, you can probably come out here, come try something and take something. And remember now, these are the same thing that you drag down this woman for. You see it as a game because them say so a man think it, so is he. If you want to come out here, one special one, and said she not collect so much money. I think you did also say it too. And she not, yeah man, you say it too. And you don't take something out of it. So that only show the clear intention that you don't have. And because you don't have that intention, you don't try to feel like the woman at 99 have the same intention as Uno. See there? Uno push her, because you want to push her out of charity. And it is evidence. Why Uno help fight her to get her out of charity? Why Lorraine come out here come talk charity police? Charity supervisor Lorraine. Larry the Lizard, I'm not hearing you. Although me now watch you from what day, but me know if things did I say people that probably send it to me, I'm going to take a look and see what is what. I mean, I see nobody say nothing like that to me. So charity police, is it that you and oh I mean say you're on vacation now? But you're on vacation, you're supposed to leave people who's responsible. What about your lawyer friend? Me shit Bradshaw. She can't handle the business when you're away. You have to go hire back cartoon. Yes man, you have to go hire back cartoon because by that thing be cartoon and have much education should I keep you up to date. You could have leave her in the office and said, alright, hold off the front desk to me until I come back. I go in on a small vacation. Me not hear you not talk about that. But I want somebody on a charity or you have a few little people when come out and come watch out the little charity what them do. Anyway, people, as me tell you this short and quick, you know, I can get to this girl, a tea girl. I have one little snore mint there. Can't but I get up in the water, you know. I never carry no water with me. I have one snore mint. I have one little snore mint, little people. Breaks. Well, I couldn't have my snore mint without water. I have to get up before water. Alright people, just as my seminar here, Larry the Lizard come out talking about Marcia charity that she want to reach out of Libya to assist one whole family. One whole family. At one time in my lifetime of charity, where 19 is concerned, me see that happen. And I would ratty pit with them. And there is no shape nor form she could have reached out to just one of the kids. Because remember, they were kids, you know. So that's the only occasion I see where she have assists actually a whole family. Right? And that was, you can call it an isolated case. But with you now, come out now, I struggle to help this one woman here. And can't reach your quota of helping this woman and want to pick up one whole family in a Libya. Libya, you know, nothing wrong with you helping somebody outside of your region or your country or which part you live. Because everywhere you go, people want help. But you can't hardly help this woman and you want to take up one whole family. And as I say, I hear Lorraine talk. Well, in this case, I know, 99 come out in her dress. 99 never find no fault with your dress or your gala, you know. None of your two dress, you know. Or your gala, you know. But you come out and you create a scene and make a big thing out of the woman dress. You criticize and you do all kind of things. And it is what? 2 to 3 days now, I think 2 days now. When you not see that video, you're supposed to 3 days now. Since T-Dog has been to this place where she been a presenter or a MC, a host. I don't know what she was, what part she were playing, because them just forced to try to, you know, as me say, even with such woman in so many different ways. The world wanna try to even wanna settle for this woman. I wanna realize that this woman is far ahead of one, cannot reach. Right? Somebody saying in my comment say, cause see, T-Girl, because this woman have a name Dunkley. T-Girl have some acquaintances with this woman. This woman is allegedly that she and Sophia Donkey, the slow one over Facebook, are some relative. It was brought to my attention, and it was also said that when she and the slow one at England in a cousin, she did come out on her platform come say she and her relative them a friend. Well, you know, some people them go around and say them and people are relative because of the surname. Them feel like say, yeah man, me I have some far family from round so down so up so. Not to mention if you don't come from the same parish. You see all the people them live at St. Elizabeth. If you ever born in a country and say you have one family down at St. Elizabeth, they even know the next set we have the same surname. Them say you and them are relatives somewhere or the sort. So I don't know which way them are family, but it has been brought to my attention. So not no more than T-Girl could have request to be this host, just like how she requests for her present to be in Canada free of cost. You understand? With that function or magazine whatsoever supposed to go on. Because what? She wants to show that she's mixing with elite. So it go right back to what me I say, just want to be. Because such woman is mixing with elite people. She want to in that same space saying she are mixing with elite people. Someone no master, I mean here you come out come talk about that dress there yet. What are you waiting on? Nothing Tina do in your eyesight. All when she come at you, you know see, you know hear, you play a blind eye, a deaf ears to it. But if 99 do anything less than what she do or say anything less than what she said, we are pertaining to you when 99 now come out you can call it here. You ready for 99? Cause 99 a weak fence. Oh what? But as me say, we continue to be wannabe. Me I show you how Tina is wannabe again. Before me get to one little video where I want to point out something to you with she same one. Tina post a video with a gentleman behind her and caption it, her bodyguard for the time that she in Jamaica. Wannabe again. Another wannabe performance. Tina, she said every time Dana go out at any one of these type of things overseas, she have security behind her. So Tina come out. This guy was sitting amongst the table that Tina were at. If you did watch the video with her at the birthday celebration, you would have recall or try to remember when there was somebody, I don't sure if it was the same friend of her in that dress that she invited at the birthday party, the red ballet hair, blonde hair girl. I don't know if she was the person outside of the camera talking to T-Girl, but somebody were talking to T-Girl while referring to that same guy who were sitting behind her, but the guy was out of the camera. It was just T-Girl and the camera. So who were speaking to T-Girl and the guy was out of the camera at the time. But that was the same guy, because there were some talk about like, is they're keeping her company, saying things to her, and so the person were saying, oh, so some, you know, them little love talk that when you want to get acquainted with people, and she said something and the woman said about something, and she get a little dirty look, like she said, oh no, what I would be doing with him, you know. That was the same guy. He was just sitting at her table. So what she do now, she just focus the camera around upon him at that time where you see she make that post there and caption it. This was her bodyguard. You never have no bodyguard, Tina. Where you get money from to pay a bodyguard? Why you think you ask your friend to accompany you? Because you never have no money to pay for the full package, because the liquor where you thief out of this, the back to schools. You understand? Sitting where you're out. Couldn't make you stay over a week. Because it never, not no much. So where you forget bodyguard from? Sandy present our we don't call it now, finance a bodyguard for you. Hey, you know, just come out and come going like you don't want to tell people pure lie. But people out here smart, and people out here them eye quick and them ears open and clean. So when you feel like say 30 minutes in the life you do something, or say something, or show somebody, and the next 30 minutes you come back and say something otherwise from that, and feel like people don't remember, because you don't remember say you did say that earlier. You don't make a sad mistake. People, this girl Tina, she's same one. Them say, them in social media for a long while. Them know a lot. Them do a lot of research. Them left Jamaica, they are Jamaican, and them left Jamaica from a tender age. And them the overseas, living overseas, having a platform. And as anything happening in Jamaica, them beat down Jamaica. As any minister or anybody who associate with governance of the country or an artist or anything, they are the first one to run on them platform and say all kind of things without doing any proper research or investigation to know what is what. I have said this in the video before with the same party birthday party video when I come down about her before the whole dress issue, that she have post Minister Paulwell on her platform, plaster her platform with his situation where his baby mother and his baby were, you know, you remember that situation then? Yes. And they were laid to rest. And she plastered it all over her platform. And she come talk all kind of things that she don't know nothing about, she don't have no idea about, she don't do proper investigation. She give her opinion and she talk what she feel and what she think. And can you imagine you into an environment with this man and you couldn't identify that this is him? You have to be asking who is him. And if I'm not lying, it was that same guy who were sitting at her table, who she posted her bodyguard. She were asking who him, and the guy was pointing out that is Peter Phillips, that is Michael Phillips, Peter Phillips' son, that is Paulwell, and Campbell, when name again, I forgot the Campbell name, but they mix up now the traffic guru was sitting in a Porsche time. He was also there. I saw the man point them out. I mean, I said, Come on. So when you're there foreign and they put your platform, you go on like you know, you stay current with Jamaican affairs. I know you're against the people them where, you know, you don't know them. So that simply means not even news you watch like that. More than when you see something blow up on social media, you just grab it and run with it and put it on your platform. Because if you are watching news, all of these, I must say the Campbell, who know in the face of mainstream media for the longest while. You understand? But you have Michael Phillips, who is in mainstream media regular. Paul Well, mainstream media regular. Peter Phillips, you don't need mainstream media if you know him. So if you are so much into current affair of Jamaica, when you take to your platform as anything go on at Jamaica, you go on like you know, and you have it all, and you know what is what. And you don't know these person individually. We're in an environment with you, where you say you rub shoulders with class people. You come to Jamaica now, and after the whole birthday situation, your friend take you to a tour of St. Thomas because I think she associating that side. I don't know if she's a counselor or she run as a counselor, but whatsoever. Or she born and go there, live there, I don't know. But she associate out there. And she take you a tour of St. Thomas. And if you was somebody who know the current affair of Jamaica, or was keeping abreast and up to date of Jamaica, which you don't even have to stay up to date with Jamaica to know this, where you are criticized and talk about and I say. St. Thomas is labeled as one of the poorest parish. Recently, St. Thomas have a stoplight. St. Thomas was the only parish in Jamaica without a stoplight. St. Thomas is one of the only parish in Jamaica without a major fast food place. Our Tasties, Kentucky, Burger, Island Grill, you name it. And since highway put up on whatsoever. You understand? The last stoplight stop at Harborview. Once you go and go around like a bend there and reach a bull bay, and that's it done. You know, buck up and nothing name stoplight again. So St. Thomas was one of the poorest and one of the worst parish when it come on to road. That me as a Jamaican I live here, afraid to go that part of the country. Let me say, afraid to go that part just because of the road. Not to mention that narrow little hillside where you have to go around, and when you look patrol there, so and the road small so, and a 2-vehicle road. And it's small so, and patrol there so you have to navigate the smallness of the road. If truck come on them all part, because you know say most of the gravel and sand come from the part of the country there. So I was not a lover of going there. And when you come out, you come chat all kind of crap about St. Thomas and this and St. You never know the history of St. Thomas, else you wanna come out here come talk this. And with all the highway and the byway where they put up now, all of these off-roads still is in deplorable condition. I have been to Reggae Falls and I wouldn't want to go back to Reggae Falls. Because it take me actually a night and a day to reach there. You understand? People, you know, listener.
That I wanted to share my visit to the St. Thomas Hills. Now, when I posted part 1, a lot of people were upset with me. Well, not all, but you know, people had questions, which is understandable. And then there were some people who were politicizing the video, trying to bully me, trying to harass me into not speaking about my experience. But it's my trauma. How are you gonna bully me about my trauma? Remember, I don't live in Jamaica, you know. I am from Jamaica, but I don't live there, and I have never been to St. Thomas before.
That's why you should talk the way you talk. You understand? And if you were keeping abreast with Jamaica like how you pretend to be, as me say, like, you know, you're in current affair business of Jamaica, You wouldn't be surprised about St. Thomas, going to St. Thomas, especially going up to those off-road roads that take you to these districts and these, you know, places, these little, what I call it, communities in St. Thomas. You wouldn't be surprised if you were really current with the affairs of Jamaica. You wouldn't come out and come say this and say you're traumatized. You understand? But this is how you make it look when you're on your platform and the overseas, like, you know, everything we are going to Jamaica, you have to stay abreast. This is what I am saying.
This is my first visit to that parish, okay? So I want to just sit with me. But it was very traumatic when I was going over the hills and stuff. But I have some good videos. There were some good roads. Not all the roads were bad.
So why you never show the good things first before you show the bad things? And talk about the bad things.
Narrow, but they were nice and smooth.
We just love
and stuff like that. No, it wasn't all
no
bad.
phone,
I
I'm
didn't say
find
it was
no way
all
back
bad. I was
one day, you know.
specifically speaking of
Yeah,
the
man.
hills. No,
Whether
as we
by
were going,
age,
you know, the road slowly
finance,
started getting worse and worse.
our
you know,
policies,
it started getting
we're
a
not
little
gonna
bit
find no way
rocker,
back
we
here.
see
Come on,
goats
man.
on the street, stuff like that. And of course, it got darker. And it get more rocker.
Look how pandemic road that we are travel. This is like you reach a Kingston.
Because I was kind of getting a bit
And
of
you are traveling
motion
one
sickness,
district
you know,
outside of the,
from all
the
movement. But I go on with myself.
central
You see that
part
bridge
of
here? This
Kingston.
bridge, me say, that bridge
Look at
look
one
like
this
it not
community
touch from
way up so.
before the abolishment of slavery. Me say when you drive over
What
the
kind of road
bridge,
you
all
expect
you
for
could
there,
hear
sir?
was like some wood. And I was so scared because me don't know what they below it. Me just know it's a big open gap and we are go over a whole bridge. You can actually hear the things beneath the tires moving as we're driving. Listen, people, I don't want to believe like a lie, me I tell. Yeah.
People, most of these bridge, they make for a long time now, they make. And most of these bridge, the base of most of these bridge is mostly iron and lumber. But these lumbers is real lumbers. When I say real lumber, solid. Not like a full lumber when man a cut tree before it ready for cut now or something. Used to support also. Right? Then sometimes they may run the assault over it. Sometimes it's just the lumber is just fit in. So basically it fit like you say, alright, say this is piece of steel bar, and then now in the middle here so now them drop the lumber. So this and this support the piece of lumber. So if you're gonna drive on it, you might have like a plate. So you're gonna hear ruggle. So you come out here and make it look as if, oh, the bridge are gonna tear down, the bridge are gonna rot down. When you come here, stay America, man. Stay America and not come back here, man. Because all you do is try to put down Jamaica as you know, Jamaican, you know. And as Jamaican, you know, try to put down Jamaica and make Jamaica look like the worst. Things we are going worse and we are going to Jamaica. America, you not talk about it. But as something going to Jamaica, you run out on platform and talk. You understand? You run out on platform and talk as any little thing going to Jamaica like it not going this part of the day too. Because what? You always want Jamaica look bad in the sight of other people. Other people where they've born here. People who want to visit here. Want to give these impressions. So you want to give these impressions and these people take on to these impressions. Want to give to them. Them afraid for travel come to Jamaica. And then we are going to now. Jamaica even get worse. Because what? We are not having the main income for Jamaica them says tourism. And when people like Uno go on a platform and trade Jamaica the way you own a trade Jamaica, people are afraid to come here. You understand? Worse when the state it say Uno a Jamaican. A Jamaica on a man. I'm afraid to go back. When me know out of my sense now when I know about Jamaica not band not at all, I go there for. When you come out here and paint that picture there about Jamaica. It's just the wise people who know say everywhere in the world you go, things do happen. It's just you have to be careful. And try to make sure you know you put yourself in a place where you know the percentage of being into danger is less. But no care where you go, if something happen, it just going to happen. Because the thing is, you don't know when it happen, you don't know what target you, You understand what I say to you? You will never know what target you. So if you stop paint this bad picture, because people who are going to make Jamaica get worse.
Which is why I attached this second video, because this is where the ride got rough. Right after we leave off of the bridge, it got very rough. I mean, the ride into the hills was bad, but trust me, it's nothing compared to leaving. This is an intersection where we got to, and this guy right here, he didn't want to move. He came around a little bit, because the road is narrow enough, but he never wanted to move.
I know she a driver here, her vice in the background, because vice over she do, But listen to the voice that while ago. People, Jamaicans, let's speak. People who even are born in Jamaica but have been to Jamaica regularly, been to the rural parts of the country, who you might have a friend invite you to Jamaica, carry you to them parish where them come from and stuff. We all know most of these parishes, these villages and our communities, sometimes is far from the central part of the parish. See it, you reach the central part of the parish, see it, where them call the town side of the parish. But there's a district way up so. Remember, this is the essential part of the parish. But you have district so, district so, district so, district so, district so, district so, district all over. You understand? And some of these districts are far away from right here, so way so. Like you have to go in another parish. And the terrain to reach those districts is very terrible. No doubt about it. Remember now, you hardly can see most of the main roads, the mostly used roads, in spanking condition. Sometimes you see also main road where you say them road have to maintain, now patrol are supposed to be on them road at no time at all. As one I broke out, it's supposed to fix. And here see when you look, you see patrol, Sharon hole, Tony hole, all kind of hole you see. Every day I want to get up and blame patrol. What I'm to Sharon one. What I'm to Tony one. You understand? Every day I want to blame patrol. So those off-road roads, if your councillor, not your MP now, if your councillor, because those roads are not central government road, those roads are parish council road. So if your councillor don't take you in consideration and say, no, here's this road that still lead up, go up to Red Gap Ring or Yellow Gap Ring or Tony Coos Ring or whatsoever, and decide to say, alright, this term, I put one upon the list. I have to go on a look road. If I even half fight have to fix. Them the road they will never fix. And secondly, some of them it don't make sense to fix them. Because based on where them situate. Some of them they right want a hill pitch there so. Some of them want a hillside they up there so. So it don't make sense to fix them because guess what, when you fix them, them going to be damaged in space and no time. Because I wish part them there. Them not going to stay fixed. And why fix something where every day you're going to take taxpayers' money for repair it? Every 3 months, it don't make no sense. Or 6 months, it don't make no sense. A river road, where you going to do on a river road? A river road where a river can come down, where you going to do? You have to green it? Answer my question. You have to just make it stay as a river road. And you know if you navigate it because you know it's a river road. When river come down, you can't drive there. So why you have a barber green it? So you're going to find these river stones and railway where you have to take your time and navigate and so it go. I wish part you will live outside of the town area, the town center. There is no government who have to waste money to fix those roads. Your council might assist, or your MP might assist your council. You know, if you try to get it in the best way possible. But no big spending of money to fix that road not going to happen. You will never see that happen.
call road. But guys, this brings us back to here as we're leaving St. Thomas, okay? Part 1 of the video that I showed you. And this is where the roads were way worse than going into St. Thomas. It's almost like them forget about a part of St. Thomas here. You understand me?
Because basically she outside of the town center of St. Thomas now.
That's all I'm pointing out.
Hills and valleys are going to some district. Where some of them the district they are good at one set of family live up in the district there.
I didn't get an opportunity to record everything, all parts of the river, but me go show no towards the end. This is me now just talking and thanking God and yeah, listen. Oh God. Oh God.
Watch them. Watch them. Watch them.
Oh God. Oh no.
Watch them.
Oh God.
Like how the devil should just meet and share the devil herself.
If I didn't know about it, I'd just rather take the long road. Is this the Arab road? Where them they want to take instead? Yeah.
You saw them stay? She make it look like said Jesus, peace, heaven just drop down on her shoulder. I saw she make it look, you know. Oh God, oh God, oh God. If we didn't know me just take the long road. If we didn't know I saw the road, them stay me take the long road. Oh God, oh God, oh God. I decided the road that we want to take, yes. So I said let's stay. Oh God, oh God. See the impression that she give? So if you as a visitor want to come to Jamaica from some other country and you see this coming from a Jamaican who visit Jamaica, would you really want to come to Jamaica? No. And as we say, you got way up in some old district way out of what you expect. You expect road to look like the highway? Yo, speak my mind, people. Bless up on yourself. You know, I said this never go long, you know, but you still get 42 minutes. Me look for about a 25-30 minute video. Bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching. If you know they do like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And please remember, Life with Gabby and Chevin in the comment section. Give her a subscription. And remember, please go support Charms and Trends. You know. That's Charms_Trends. No, Charm_and_Trends. What I'm saying here. Charmed_and_Trends. Charm spelled CHARMED _AND and_Trends TRENDS. Check them out on Instagram. I'm not just telling you to go over there and follow them on Instagram. Just go over there and check what they have to offer on Instagram. Anything you see over there, just hit the website or drop them DM for further information. Or hit the website, same Charmed and Trends, but you know, use the _shop and buy something. Anything you see, you can get it customized to your liking, your color. Anything you want, your husband picture, your husband name, your name, your husband name, you want to know, wedding picture upon it, your kids, anything you want, customize, you get it. Check them out. Supportive people, so support them. Remember the cash app pin, $ Life is a Mission TV. Bless upon yourself. Happy Sunday. Thanks for watching. I don't know if I can go on a 2 video. That's why I make sure to do this video from early today, Saturday. I did for release this video today, you know, but honestly, I am not sure to give you a video tomorrow. So except me say, you know what, I always tell myself, say, best me go on a video on a Sunday. Any YouTuber, a Sunday is a day where you're not supposed to miss giving your people or your audience a video to watch, because most people might be home on a Sunday. We want something to entertain them. So I tell myself, say, me now by the release that video yesterday evening. So I just say, alright, release it this Sunday. If me get up, the time is there and the vibes is there, we will get another video. But if not, we don't know where it go. Monday is a new week. Stay tuned, stay strong, and look out for what is to come. And remember, go subscribe to Life is a Mission. Tomorrow I have do some shrimp vegetable salad. Shrimp vegetable salad in sorrel sauce. Yes, man. You don't want to miss that. So just jump over and watch and see what I go on. What I prepare. I want to tag Marcy and tell her if you come over Life is a Mission TV. She have good kitchen now. Come learn a bit or two from the regular things. And she can also learn how to prepare the regular things where she can't prepare. Alright? Bless upon yourself. I'm out.